So I'm here with an unboxing today. So everybody's in quarantine. What else is it that we have to do besides shop online? So I've been doing some of that. Not as much as I thought I would actually, which is good, I'm sure, for my checking account. But here I've got a ton of stuff. I started selling Creative Memories again. I think like last month or something. So I did 2 huge orders. Me and my mom actually did an order together to get the freebie. So she took some of the paper and I took a pack of that. And so that's one of the orders is the order we did together, an order, well, what my half of that order is. And some more stuff that I'd ordered from Creative Memories and a huge paper order from Scrapbookcom that I got in 2 different shipments last week. So I decided to keep it all and do one huge haul video. So here goes. We'll start with the Creative Memories. The boxes, I opened them just because it was easier for the video, but I haven't gone through it. So here we are. The new roller coaster stamp from CM. So this came out not April, I think March. I grabbed it late March. So here you are, pops open. And it's a border. So you put your paper in, like start on a corner, stamp it or punch it, slide it over, and then punch it again. It'll give you a border on the bottom. I'll have to do a video on how to use these. They're a little different than the border maker, but I kind of like that it's one thing versus having 2 things you have to put together and remember how it goes together and all that. So I do like these. I'm just literally reaching in the box. Tape runner refills. I got a couple of those. And these are for the trimmer. So I have the scoring blade and the stamping blade. And it kind of, does it show you the design? Oh, it shows you on this side. I don't know if I can get it. All right, so that's the stamping blade. And this was just a scoring blade because I realized that I didn't have a scoreboard. I don't know what I did with it. So since I have the Creative Memories trimmer, I went ahead and grabbed it. And so if you don't have one, here is what it looks like. And what happens is you pop this open. Literally, you just lift the top off. The different blades drop down in here, close it up, and then it works. And then they have storage on the back for all your extra ones. So you can get a bunch of different ones. They have a huge selection on the website. And what else is in here? Let's see. Peekaboo pockets. So these have tape on them on here, and you stick them to your page and you can create like a waterfall of extra pictures. They're great. I've done it. Close to My Heart has some. They call them something different, but the concept's the same. And I did it for my cousin's album. I used those. Amazing. You literally get like double the space. So if you have like, you're doing a 2-page layout, but you have these like 5 more pictures and you don't want to do a whole other 1 page, you stick those to it and it all coordinates. It looks so cute. So cute. One of my favorite things to do. So I'd stopped using Creative Memories albums for a while, years. I had gone to the ring binder. So I won a 12 by 12, I think a year ago, at a crop, and it's been sitting in my house. So I finally decided, okay, I'll go back to it. So one of the things I got, because they're only available quarterly, are the mini 8x8s. So I got the green one and the Spargo refill pages for that. And the page protectors come with it now. So it's not 2 separate things. You buy them all together. Pages, protectors, all in 1 pack. So I got that. I did get 12 by 12 ones to go with the album that I won, which is a teal color. That's a teal color. All this paper. Oh, and so you can see that's how big the box was. So there's still more stuff in here. All right. So, oh, I got another punch. This is the camera punch. It's called Camera Love. I believe this came out in April. So let's see what this one is. Okay. And so it just, you push the little thing on the side, it pops open, you punch, Normal punch. But very cute. I like it. Maybe I can get it back in the box. Okay. That's that. Alright. Paper. So picture this, which is what the camera punch goes with. I got the paper. And this is the designer stickers. And there's 3 different ones in there. 3 different sheets. So you can see what's in on all the different ones. So that's that. And I did get the tone on tone pack for that, which I don't normally do, but I really liked this one. It has like polka dots and stripes and kind of geometric patterns, so that's why I got that tone on tone. Puppy Love, it's puppy dog paper, and it has the stickers in it. So it's a theme pack, so there's 4 sheets of 12 by 12 and then 2 sheets of stickers and a sheet of cardstock, and it all coordinates together. Magic Awaits. I think this came out in March. Might have been before that. I don't quite remember. But I did pick it up. So, very cute. Love all that stuff. I picked up the layered embellishments to go with this. And the designer stickers. You can see what all the different ones. It's 3 sheets in there. That's what they have. I thought this was cute. It's called Modern Moments. I just really like the patterns in that one. And then the stickers. And this was the freebie last month. If you spent, I think it was $150, you got 3 paper packs. So my mom took 2 of them. I took 1 of them. This is the one you had to spend $150 to get this one, because it was like $50 you got one, $75 or $100 you got one, and then $150 you got all 3. So this was the one I wanted, so that's the one I kept. She took the other 2. So that's the Creative Memories haul. Now for the Scrapbook.com haul. So I'm a massive, huge fan of color play. So that's basically what this entire haul is going to be. We probably won't make it to Lancaster this year for the Scrapbook Expo thing that they do. We wanted to, but I just don't think it's going to happen. So I decided, forget it, since I know I won't be going there and they always have a booth. I'll just buy all the things I want. Why not? So I'll get to that in a minute. But quickly, Heidi Swap came out with a toner stamping kit. I've seen the videos of it. Basically, it's almost like it's like Xerox toner or whatever, and you can stamp on it with it, and then you can stick it through your Mink, and it'll foil your stamp. So I picked up the starter kit for that, and the Heidi Swap cleaner, their special toner cleaner. So I picked those 2 things up too. All right, now to the photo play. I hope there are people that are as big fans as I am. And that's the stack. So, Star of the Show. That's the first one. My goddaughter dances, so of course I've been to every recital since she was 2. And that's why I bought that. Day at the Park. If you followed me long enough, you know why I bought that. And the matching ephemera pack. Best Friends. My best friend lives all the way in San Francisco, California. We've been friends since I was 16. I go out every couple of years. So that will probably get used next year, because I doubt I make it out this year. I'd like to, but I don't see it right now. Although flight prices are great currently, so I don't know. Set sail. Big plans in 2021. There's the matching ephemera pack for that. So that's what that's for. Excellent. Tula and Norbit's Excellent Adventure. The obsession with gnomes is real. So I thought it was cute. And they were on sale. So I bought it. Last one is Fetch and the matching ephemera for that one. So that is today's haul. Lots of good paper. I don't know when I'll do another one. I'm thinking about getting a few more Creative Memories things, probably some close to my heart. Might even get some Stampin' Up in there. So I'll tag consultants for Stampin' Up and Close to My Heart at the bottom whenever I do a haul for that. I'll put my link down there. Trust me, no pressure. If you do want to be a consultant though, it's $25 a year, or $50 a year. It's $50 a year. And you get a credit back to spend on your first order. And the more, once it has different levels, so you get 10% off your order up to a certain dollar amount, and then it goes up to 25. I think it's $500. So it's worth it. It's totally worth it to be your own consultant. There's no minimums, nothing like that. So if you just want to sell it for yourself, it's totally, if you're going to buy a lot of paper, I'd do it. So that's actually why I signed back up. So since I'm going to be using the albums again, it was worth me being a consultant. So there's your little tidbit about that. I'll drop my link at the bottom in case you want it. All right, so enjoy as much of quarantine as you can. I know it's hard, but we're all doing it. So enjoy it. Get some crafting done. Have a good one.